This is the second video on how to make a house in Google SketchUp. Last time we were trying to do this curve. So what you do is you click the push pull inside and you push it all the way here. Then it will become blue and then it will vanish away. Then you have yourself this curved line. So don't rub these lines off, because if you rub it, this whole thing will go. Do the same thing on the other side over here. So here, 0.5. Wait, I can't see that. 0.5. Oops. Wait, let's measure how much this is. So yeah, 0.5 and 0.5. Next, do the same thing with the arc tool. Click the arc, put it here, measure to the end, and draw the curve. Draw the line so you know where to draw next. Other side. Okay. And draw the same thing in this side. Once you have this done, you can do the same following push pull from just now and bring it in blue and gone. So now you could see, you could just rub these lines off again, like the other side. You could see a curved type of, probably like a foundation. Next, what you want to do is you want to put the roof. So the roof is going to be, get your rectangle pencil out, measure how big. So this case it will be 7. It will be 6 and 7 meters. Go. You move that inside, and you can see that it's huge, that it's even more bigger. It will cut through the thing, but that's okay. Next, you push it up about 0.02 meters. There we go. So you might have this thickness. You had this thickness. Just pull it back 0.2 meters. There you have it. You have the roof of the house now. Pull this part up. There you have it. Now if you want to cover this up, you draw here to here, here to here, here to here. Well, it's already covered up. Just paint it. So now you have the right side of the house. Now we're gonna work on the left side of the house. First, what you want to do is you want to make a line down the middle, close to the left window. So from the left window, about 0.2 meters. And draw 0.5. There you go. Draw it all the way up. And this too. Once you have this line down the middle, push pull it onwards 1.5 meters. Or maybe probably 0.4 meters back. Guys, 1.10 meters to the front. So once you have that, you want to just take it small again to 0.2. I'm just slowing the size and doing the size. Here we go. Next, you want to measure about from here to here to make it your guide point. And write 0.3 meters. So you probably have that there. Then you wanna all the way here to the end and write about 0.3 again. So I should have it. There we go. Here to the other side again. Now you have this. Take a push pull and push it all the way to the front. You can now see what I'm forming. It's a kind of a 4 type of thing. Then from this edge over here, you want to measure about 0.3 again. Thickness is going to be 0.3 and measure it up again. You want to push pull that up. It'll say offset, but just click it and just drag it up again. Do it until it goes aligned with this. Also, you have to push this pull up until it aligns. Okay. Draw a line from here to separate it, and rub this there. Whoopsie. Okay. Next, you want to pull up this about 0.2 meters and then drag it back 0.7 meters. Do the same thing the other side. Once you've done that, you're going to draw a line from here to here, or even it could be at the bottom, 0.3. From here, you draw it to there. So you kind of little box over here, and just join it up with this. Once you're done, rub that off, and you've created a 4 on your house, or just a design I use. Next, you want to do the right side again. Go back to the right side. Then you draw Then actually bring the roof out. Right? Bring the roof up about 0.35 out. Actually, let's not go for that design. Once you've done that, you have to first do the balcony. Well, so you have some shade under your door. Come in about 0.2 to 2.30. It's shown here. Drag from here to all the way here. Then write about 0.2 meters. So I messed up, but you go here, 0.30 meters over there. From here, draw all the way there. From here, you draw up to this 0.20. Then do it again. Then you want to push pull this upwards 0.5 until say the offset limited. So you have this tiny balcony, but you have to extend it more by 0.5, so it becomes 1 meter. There we go. Then you want to bring it down, so you all the way down by 0.1 meters. If you want to add some design to this, you could, like I'm doing right now. I'm going to drag that all the way here. Let it flow from the house, like the roof. Rolling it all the way back there. Align it with this. Rub this off. Okay. So this house is coming to shape together. Next, you want something to support this, of course. So from here, you want to add about 0.2. It's already drawn there. Another 0.2. So it's like a tiny square. Let's get another view of this. So you've done that. Click this. And you do this. You need to point it in an edge so it would be the same level as your house. Go. You could add another window over there or something like a plant or something, but I'm just going to go plain with it. So next is the left of the house, the back of the house. We're gonna make a tiny porch like at the front, 0.2 meters again, and up 2.4 meters. Do that again, about, so we measure 0.2 again, over here, and we draw this up. We're going to make this thickness again 0.2. So here we go. Have it. Now we just need to pull this so it could become the balcony. About 0.5. There we go. We have the balcony set up. So if you wanna, so this is your own choice, but I'm going with probably this design. Could add more windows here, and yeah, you want something to cover your windows from sunlight. So over here on the right side of the house where the big thing is, the big window, we want to measure 0.3 meters or 0.2 meters. Go. Drag it all the way across, make sure it's aligned. Probably 0.2 again, so we're making the shade area for this thing. For the window, for the huge window. We're gonna put it 0.5. There we go. Put 0.5. Then we're gonna make it smaller. It's your choice if you wanna make it smaller. 5. That was too much. Not 0.5. Do Alt backspace if you want to delete this, or go to edit. 0.05. Okay. Pull this front, so you add a 0.2. So you add a bit more design to it. Pull this down, 0.2. There we go. We have this shade for this huge window. Okay. Remember, you could add anything you want once you've done the house. So next, you want to take the pen. You want to measure about. Make sure it's there. How much is that? Intersection. Wait, I'm getting mixed up here. But 0.2, 0.1. Drop that line off. We have 0.1 from here to here is 0.1. Just measure that again. 0.1 over here. So next, from 0.1 over here, I can't seem to find this. 0.1. From here to 0.1. Let's just do. Oh, okay. Okay, now we find that. Do the line. Okay. Since the zoom out and zoom in on that side, write 0.1 again. There we go, that's the thickness of it. Zoom out again. Zoom in again in this point. Make sure it's a straight line. Now we have this line running through. push pull it about 0.5 out, like this, and then you separate this. We want to make this thing. So once you're done, yep, that's for the windows, for the shade of the windows. Okay, and that's it for this house. Yeah, this modern house that I built, you can build too. Okay, see you guys next time.